Oh, hello, humans. Wait, let me turn off my graphics. Let me turn on, okay.
I feel so skibbity.
Yeah, we all do. Okay, so basically we're gonna be summoning Storm Surge because we're alphas. Yeah, and then we have Penguin right there. Oh, my game froze. That's a bad sign. Probably just because of lag though. Anyways, what happened?
Okay, we need to turn off our head turning.
Oh yeah.
Once the cutely turns off head turning, make a signal.
Hold up, let me do that.
In case it's
Pushes every button but settings on accident.
Nah. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I am gonna be Milky because that's my OC and I like Milky. Should I be Starshine, Nokia Pelt, you, or Milky, or Dante?
Become Pineway. Become my Pineway. You become your Pineway.
You know what? I'm gonna just be Milky because that's me. Anyways, let me do /console. 99 errors and 5 warnings.
Wait, let me check my console.
And decomp data also has no children. Bro.
Okay, so we need to chat in group.
But why would we chat? Because we're on the call right now, so that does not really matter.
Just in case we need to check console or stuff, or we just accidentally misclick.
Yeah, but like, okay. Yeah, so
I'm just gonna have chat for time.
okay, let's just go. Okay, so let's see how we summon him. Let me go on to Google. Oh, I froze again. I'm gonna freeze a lot because my game's laggy. So basically,
Okay, I'm gonna become my Pineway.
wait.
Probably silver belt.
My Pineway.
Wait, no, I'm not gonna be silver belt.
Wait, did you make a silver?
Okay, we're gonna change our bio to he is here.
No, bellflower.
Yeah, okay, change it to.
Yeah. Mommy
Okay,
said
do that.
What?
Change the bio to he is here. What? Okay, change the bio, guys. Do your job and start the bio. Sorry, guys. Change your bio or you die.
Change my bio?
Yeah.
What?
He is here.
All caps or not?
No. Just do it how I'm doing it.
with the ...
Okay, one sec. Let me enable some stuff.
Do the enabling and hurry.
Oh, 3 up.
Okay, so we only need 2 people for this, but we can have more, okay? So I don't know why I told you that. Anyways, so where do we go? Okay, so he is here. He's here. Okay, let's go to River Clan. Oh, okay. So we have to go outside of the leaders den.
Elders.
Yeah, I know. I'm finding it. Which one is it? I don't really know the dens well.
Yeah, neither do I.
Cause I only know the Thunder Clan very well.
Oh, I know. We all know Thunder Clan really well.
Okay, here's the leaders den right here. I think we sit in a circle. I don't know. Let me check. Okay, we have to be kit sized, so everyone size down. That was enough time. Let's go. Hide in the leaders den. Get in here. Okay, I don't know how long we gotta stay here, but like I'm just gonna like. Don't change your morph, by the way. You'll get cooked.
That's the load system. It's like Let me check my warnings. Okay, for now we talking good.
Yeah.
I still have 9 warnings, but 100 and
Oh, I got one more warning.
any more warnings.
Well, I mean error. It's still talking about children.
I don't like children. Okay.
Let me check what my warnings say.
Fail to load mesh physics data. Decom data has no children. What? I have literally 109 of those.
Same. Okay, let's go out of the scary den. I'm gonna unplug my headphones. Oh. Oh.
Yes.
Bro, did you leave the game? Okay.
Why? Are you? Screen fog.
Didn't we go near water now? Also, yo, my pelt is slightly different than yours.
Wait, what is? Does he have audio cues?
Yo, my pelt is slightly different.
I don't think so.
Yo, is it
Like the only audio cue you talked about was the gorge getting really, 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 really loud. But nothing else.
Why are we all slightly different heights?
But it doesn't matter.
I think it's because are y'all two using large warrior?
What?
I don't know.
You would be a warrior.
I don't know, but it would be like make everything larger if we were getting it after.
Oh my gosh, he's here.
How? What did you just see?
I can hear the gorge. Did y'all hear it? I can hear it, and when his audio cues are like gorge when you're not.
Where do we go?
We can just look around now. We're not safe in the Moonstone though.
What do we do if we go to Moonstone?
Nothing really happens. He's just not. We're not safe there. Let's go to the gorge.
Why?
Cause I want to see if it's like loud.
Are we allowed to teleport?
No, I don't want to teleport because it might.
Yeah. I want vision. Is this the gorge? I don't know what the gorge is.
No, okay. You know what? Let's just teleport to Wind Clan.
So what? Where are we teleporting?
Wind Clan.
Okay, it didn't seem much.
I don't know if we can size up yet, so let's not.
Wait, oh, where? Oh,
The gorge is over here.
I can hear the gorge even though it's not here. And my game is like freezing and glitching. So I think that's where he's here. We just don't see
it's
him.
so loud.
Yeah, it's louder than usual.
Where are y'all? I can't find the gorge. My renderings is so bad.
I saw a black speck in the water for a second, and I looked away and it was gone.
Okay. I don't know the private server commands. That's the barn. So the gorge is over there.
Yo, my AirPods keep cutting out. Oh, scary.
My AirPods.
Oh, I see y'all.
I also started screen recording because like it was something.
Oh, that's louder than usual, definitely.
Yeah.
Y'all hear it?
Yo, I'm gonna start recording as well.
Y'all? Why did it? That's funny.
I started screen recording.
It's like really, really cool.
Bro, I swear I just saw something over there. Like, I swear I see something right here. Wow. We go away from the cords. That's so loud, bro.
I mind the way because it's really rough.
Yeah, cause like I can hear waterfall and like rain when it's not raining. Y'all wanna pull in a big back to reach him?
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Because we don't know if he can ban her.
He can, but like not for a long time.
Okay, so that wiki was right. Use that wiki, guys. Use the wiki.
Yeah, guys. I don't know if
Because the gorge, you can hear it.
okay. Like I can hear it from here.
Yeah, I can still hear it. What? It's saying something on the mountain. Like there's like a black speck
Guys.
on the bushes, y'all.
Yo, I saw that too.
I don't know if it's really me running around.
There's something over there. I'm not gonna go find out what that is. I'm gonna run away from it.
I'm like scanning my whole screen. Oh wait, I blend. Wait, we blend in with the road.
Let's go to Rogues and Loners, guys.
Guys, I heard footsteps.
Well, yeah, because that's me.
Oh, hi Chuck. So,
Oh yeah.
guys, just don't go into the bushes. Just leave. I keep getting to the barn. So,
Oh, I got in.
okay, did it. What's that?
What's what?
Okay, so if you're there and you're there, then what the fuck was that?
I don't know. Y'all
No,
walk
I swear I saw a cat like go through the window.
through the window, bro. What?
Like they jumped through the window.
Oh, that was me. I was like that. It's fine. Like that. Like I did that. Let's, bro. My screen. Either I'm just really laggy, or like Storm Surge hates me.
You know what I found something?
120 warnings
Wait, y'all.
and errors.
Wait, y'all. Are the lights on the top of the barn slightly more red than the on the lights in the room?
I can't tell. I don't think.
Warnings.
I don't think he does that.
I have 10 warnings.
I have 7. I have 9.
I'm warning coming.
I think there's something like in the barn. Guys, get out of the barn. Get out of the barn. There's like something in there.
The barn twins.
Yo, we didn't spawn the barn tons though.
I'm being scared. Because I know the barn twins have a jump scare, right?
Let's just say
Why does every game loved by like thousands of people like always have to have some creepy like NPC in it?
I mean, I don't know, but it's fun.
Yeah, but this NPC basically makes it so you have to fit NPCs in the same thing.
Yeah, so he can spawn Shapeshifter if he's raged. So do we want to spawn him or not?
No, yeah, but then you say he wants to run some stuff.
No, I don't. No, he just spawns. He spawns Mother and Shapeshifter, and Mother's really bad. Bro, you just glitched for a second. Y'all, there is something up with this part of the server. It's not even like, oh, I made it like yesterday.
Oh, goes through NP like.
Y'all, my burst just stopped for like a second.
Same.
I think that's like the audio.
You're at the gorge.
I think that's just the audio replaying though, because we've been in the server for a while.
Yo, my text chat like the not like it looks different. I don't know why. It just looks different than normal.
Bro, I can't escape.
Where'd you go?
I'm gonna go back to the barn. Yeah, but my birds like don't stop.
Chat. Shapeshifter, like, kind of like orange. Yeah.
Yeah, he's orange.
Oh, fuck.
What is that? Bro, Chloe, you good? What happened? What was that, bro? I'm so glad my computer picked that up. Bro, there's something wrong with this server. I am not.
No, I saw it. It was coming from, I don't know what to call you, but, like, your thing. And I'm looking at the base.
Why is.
Wait, try muting and unmuting.
You good?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah. Can you hear us? Oh, well, I guess not. Hi.
Wait. I'm gonna start a new call. Everyone thinks I'm calling.
Okay. Oh my gosh, guys, what was that? What was that? Okay, let's go back and look. Hi chat, I'm back. What? Bro. I'm not joking. I'm not joking. Like Chloe, you made like a weird like sound coming from your mic. And also, I just saw something move. Do you see that crate? Bro, it's happening again. Bro, what? Do you hear that? What is that, bro? That's Chloe. What's happening? Bro, what is that noise? It happened.
What?
Okay, so there's like a sound. You'll hear it in the video.
Yeah. It was a weird what?
Yeah, we kept we kept hearing the sound from the mic. So
I still hear it.
you hear the sound?
Yeah, but it's like way fainter. From
Oh, I hear it too. That's coming out of my computer.
why is your computer?
Y'all, there's something wrong with our. I'm gonna end the video because this is crazy. Like, bro, what is? Oh my god,
Should we?
bro, what is that? Just leave the call, okay? Just leave, because that's crazy. Okay, so I guess we'll end the video here because this is getting way too crazy. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys.